And today we're going to be opening the PawTechie self-powered wireless doorbell for your pet. That's right, this is a way for your pet to ring the doorbell to be let in. And you don't have to run any wires. So let's open it up and see what we get. And here we have side A. This is the button for your pet. Some sticky tape. Mounting plate, and then this will be the doorbell side. Then you have some mounting screws and a manual. So what we're going to do is, apparently this is self-powered. I don't know what kind of magic it is, that you don't need a battery, or if it just generates its own power when it clicks. I know you get tired of me clicking this, but let's go ahead and plug this up and display this unit. Okay, so now we're plugged in. Let's just see if it works straight out the box without doing anything. And it does. So when it comes out of the box, it's ready to go. Now on one side, you have the little gray button in the center here. One side is the volume, one side is the chime that you can choose. There are 36 different chimes. Let's go through a few of them real quick. And there you go, and you have different volume levels on the other side. That's all the way down. That's the loudest. 2, 3, 4, and mute. There you go, pretty cool little device. And what this is meant for, of course, is this would be plugged up in your house. And then you put this outside, and you can either mount it with just the sticky back, or if you don't have a sticky surface for this to mount, you can use the mounting plate with the supplied screws and screw it somewhere outside where your dog or your pet can reach, and then you would just stick the tape to this and they can push the button. Now how you teach your dog to push that button is up to you. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.